Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the Hammer H2 made by Highway 61 at a 1/18 scale. This model is made after a movie car from Entourage HBO TV series, but it also featured a similar model in the Bad Boys Final Chase, I think. This model is made out of metal. It has opening hood, doors and trunk, but also has turning wheels and suspension, and has a lot of details on the interior. Let's start looking at the model in the front. So it looks quite good in the front. The headlights and the signal lights look pretty good. We have the chrome grille with the Hammer written on it as the real model, a real car. Next we have the wheels. We have the writing on the tire, and the rim itself, it's chrome. We have the H2 logo there on the side, and in the back it's quite a big model and pretty heavy. We have the Hammer written on the bumper. We have the H2 logo there, also the license plate. Pretty good looking model on the exterior. Let me show you underneath as well. A lot of details underneath the model, just like Highway 61 used us. Engine compartment looks pretty good. A lot of details, including the cables for the headlights. Very neat from Highway 61. Let's look in the trunk as well. We have the spare wheel there, and also the last row of seats, which all fold, as you can see. That's one of the features of the interior. All the seats are foldable. Let's look inside to see more. So inside, all the seats move forward and backwards. You can see the gear lever moves through gears, which is a very interesting feature. All the armrests are functional. Let me show you on this side as well. See if I can move it. As you can see, the seat moves. Also the armrest is functional and moves backwards, lifts. Also the center console storage area opens, and of course all the seats in the back fold as well, and also this part, the lower part moves, I think, as well, lifts from here, but it's quite hard to pull it, and I don't want to break it, but it has a lot of features in the interior. And also on the dashboard we have a lot of details. I'm very impressed with this model. Looks pretty amazing, and also it's very big as the real model. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this model. I think it looks pretty good. And also, if you have this model in your collection, please let us know. I think it's a wonderful model to have in your collection. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.